So you feed the same feed completely from beginning to the end. So guys, GenGen already explained, you know, his success in feeding the pellets and how he came up with the formulation of the pellets, how he make adjustments on the pellets, because like he said, it will make them too bulky. So he changes the ratio and what he feed on the pellets. This way he can keep the body where they're more agile and flexible and not as bulky and stiff. So GinGin, tell me, you talked about your feed, right? So you feed the same feed completely from beginning to the end, from cord
Yes.
to pre-keep to keep to the day of the show.
On the day of the show, it's probably pellets alone. Pellets
Just
alone.
pellets alone on the day of the show.
On the day of the fight. And
Okay.
Jim, whatever I'm saying, this is not a guarantee win. Maybe you guys would disagree with me on what I'm saying, but it's probably add a little something of what you learned from us. But this does not guarantee a win. But I can tell you this: maybe the pellets you're using would be different from mine, so it would not have the same. It would not have the same effect on your birds and then my birds. The way I raise my birds would be different from how you raise your birds. So maybe I'm saying that's not right for you guys, or maybe I'm saying what's right. What I can do is share my knowledge for you guys. Say you just take the good ones and throw away the bad ones.